So you want to make thumbnails that wow? Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make my thumbnails that now get me more clicks and more views. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Umusi Ella. I post new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, sharing vlogs and all things YouTube related. So if any of these is of interest to you, be sure to subscribe down below and we could get started. Okay, so I feel like I should tell you this right before we jump into the video. Thumbnails have to be bright, they have to be eye-catching, and they have to be big and legible. Like any font you use, make sure it is really legible. So now that I've told you this, I'm going to tell you the size. The size is 1280 in 720. And now let's rush right into the video. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to open up my photos so I can show you guys the thumbnail that I'm going to be editing. I'm going to be making this, I'm going to be recreating this, and I have this white background that I use for the edges, and I have this picture. This is the picture I use. So currently this picture is not in the size for YouTube thumbnail, so I'm going to have to cut the picture short and then start editing. So the first thing I do is I go up to Lightroom, then I open up Lightroom. Here I click on this camera roll and I scroll down. So this is the picture that I want to use. I'm going to scroll down to presets, and all I do here is I just click on bright just to make the picture have like more light, and then I save it. That's all I do with this app, just to put more light in my photos. And then I go into Facetune 2. What I do here is I blur the background. So I'm just going to scroll to the focus and I'm going to click on auto. What this does is actually just blurs the background, and then I'm going to increase the light also to 30. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save. I also go to retouch sometimes, and what I do here is I just whiten, you know, just like make everything a bit more sharp. And that's pretty much all I do here, and that is it for this app. Also just save, and then I have this picture with the background all blurred up, and then I go right down to Fonto, and I go to plain images. Then I usually like to put the color in like red or something visible that I can see, then apply. So I'm going to change this now to 1280 720, and I'm going to click on use. Now I'm going to bring in the picture that I just edited. This is the picture that I just edited, and I'm going to, you know, reduce it because I want it to fit in. So I'm just going to keep dragging this thing. You see what it does? So I'm just going to reduce it like here. Yeah, I believe it fits now. And I'm going to size it up into this box, because as you guys saw, I sized the box into YouTube thumbnail. So I want this to be in the YouTube thumbnail size. So I'm just going to leave it like this and then click on save image. So this is what I actually have now. So now I'm just going to check out the text and see what I wrote in the last one, so I'll know what I can write here. Copyright free music. Okay, so I'm going to put it all on caps. Copyright down free. Let me see how it was again. Okay, music, and then I'm going to put it in the center. So I'm going to place it here. Okay, so that is a bit too large and we don't want that. So I'm going to click on style and stroke and make it, the stroke should be black. I'm going to increase this to 10 and go to style and bring the alpha all the way up and blow it all the way down. Then the spacing, I'm going to reduce the letter by 3, so it's going to be -3, and then the line by 35. You could make this small depending on how you like, but this is just how I like mine. So now I have this copyright free music. Just going to place it properly so it doesn't really cover my phone. So you could definitely play with this a bit. You can tilt it just a bit, but I'm just going to leave it. I don't think I tilted this one. No, I didn't. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And then I got this icon from Google Chrome. I went right there and then I searched for YouTube PNG. and then you get to see a whole lot. So you actually want to choose the one that has like a transparent background. Make sure the one you pick has a transparent background. So you just save it. See, this one has a transparent background, so we're good with this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to the image and pick on it. Everything turned black, that means it is transparent. So yeah, I have just this, and I'm going to place it here. I think I tilted this here. Yeah, I did. I tilted it to the left, so tilt, or to the right. Yeah, so this is it. This is actually how I got this, and you could just add it, like make it a bit spicy. But mind you, there's something I want to tell you guys for YouTube videos. And then what you do here is also go to style, stroke, alpha, blur, spacing -3, -35, and then it's still too long. But what you want to do now, maybe I should take away the 4, because you need something that is actually short for people to be able to read. Then now this is what I have here, so I can also tilt it, but I should make sure whenever you placing a text down here, make sure you tilt it a bit up, or then you just take it up totally so YouTube timestamp doesn't cover it. So now this is actually how it would look like if I were to add these YouTube videos, but I just wanted mine simple, so it's just copyright free music. So I'm just going to take this out because I don't want it. Then I'm going to click on save, and this is where the step 2 comes in. The step 2 is I'm going to get that background that I usually use. Going to go to photo albums, then going to go to thumbnail, then click on this white background. Now I'm going to import the that I just edited, and I'm going to size it up. I usually just make it 392, the size 392, because I already confirmed it and played around with it, and I saw that this one actually fits perfectly, and I want all my thumbnails to look alike. So I'm just going to use this move button and just size it up a bit. So yeah, this is it. This is actually the thumbnail. I'm just going to click on save, and yeah, we could compare. So this is the one I just edited right now, and this is the old one. See, there's practically no difference. This is the new one, this is the old one. See, there is no difference. So this is actually how I make my YouTube thumbnails. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really like making my thumbnails this way because I'm popping, my background is all blurred up. I have the YouTube logo, I have everything. You can get any logo you want through this method. Just go down to Chrome and make sure it is non-copyrighted, because you do not want to have a copyright image in your pictures. So make sure it is not copyrighted, and you're good to go. So that is it, you guys, for this YouTube video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also comment down what video you want to see next. I love you all. Bye.